All right, this is what we're trying to accomplish, and it seems like it should be something that's incredibly easy, but for some reason it isn't. So I'm reaching out because I think it's going to need a little bit of custom code to make this work. But basically, actually, let me reduce this size just a little bit. Uh, I have a Google Sheet. All right, just looks like this, and basically we just put data into this sheet. We collect information, financial information off of companies, and we do valuations, right? So we collect the information from the company. This Google Sheet does a bunch of work, like runs the numbers and whatnot, and then the output that it outputs is this document into a Google slide. All right. So it's kind of like this nice document and it updates this number and these numbers automatically populate and it changes like these little arrows here and like inputs all this information. But it's actually pretty simple because all it's really doing is it's just, taking from this document, the data here, it moves over to where this is called MVA, the market value assessment. All these slides or all these charts, they're just basically mirrored into this document. So if you look at this, it like has these numbers right here. You go over here onto the second slide, and it's like there's those numbers there, right? So it's pretty simple actually. It's just going from okay, page number 2 here. It says page number 2, and then it takes it and puts it into this document. Well, it's page number 5, but it just mirrors it, right? The challenge is, and this is the actual problem, is okay. You do the valuation, and it takes all that information, it puts it into the other document perfectly. But then what happens is you can't copy these two files. So I've done this company, right? So this company's Cafe Tasse. I've done this company, I've done the valuation, I've made their slide deck, right? It's done that because these two files are linked. Now, if I want to do a brand new company, call it like Bob's Auto Shop, I can't copy these two files and start from scratch. Like Google will not let you do that. The files will no longer remain linked. So basically, what the problem I'm trying to solve is I want to take the information from this slide, this like sheet, display it in this Google slide so that they're linked, and then be able to copy the instance of those two things that are linked together, copy them so I can make a brand new version and then start working on that brand new version. This is what I'm trying to achieve, and we've come to a wall, a dead stop. So I think I just need advice and help, and if this is something that you could potentially help and fix, then let's rock and roll, and you can hopefully help us out. Anyway, thanks so much.